Okay, so this is a factoring review, and you're going to make a foldable. And here is what it looks like. So it has title cover, 1, 2, 3, and 4 flip pages. So on your first flip page, this is called MA. Some people call it AC, depending on what you heard in Algebra 1. This is going to go pretty fast. This is the information you're going to put on your page. These are questions you're asking yourself. We'll, of course, go through it again. You get down the information. Here's the problem you're going to have on that flip page. This is the first scratch work out to the side. Here are the steps. Oops. All right, so there are all the steps. And of course, we'll go back through it. On the second flip, so we're going to go to the next one. It's a continuation of MA. I've got it called Difference of Squares. That's a special title for this. And we're going to continue the MA method. If you're missing a middle term, so this looks like the ax squared and then the c term, and there's no b, we can add in a 0 and continue on with the MA method. There's a scratch work again, and here are the steps. Of course, again, you get all this information down in your foldable, and we will go through it. And then there is an asterisk because you can, if you understand what's going on here and here, you can skip straight to the end and we'll discuss what those steps incur. Your third flip, this is for grouping. The actual name of this factoring is grouping. So if you have all of these terms and there's no greatest common factor for every one of them, what do? And it looks like the same exact step, but we can split it down the middle. Greatest common factor of each side. We'll go through it. Here are your steps and your answer. So of course I'm going fast. We'll discuss it more, make sure we understand. Very last page. It's the shortest factoring there is. This is GCF. It's also your last resort. That's why it's at the bottom. So if there's nothing else, if it doesn't look like the MA, if it doesn't look like the difference of squares, if it doesn't look like the grouping, GCF. Look for a GCF for everything. And ta-da, that's what it looks like. So those are all of the factoring types we have under our belt so far. This is a review. Remember this, GCF can be 2, 3, 4, whatever number of terms. This is what your factoring flip should look like at the end. Have it ready to go Monday. We'll make sure that we know all of our factoring methods and we'll begin practicing. Now pause for me to end my video.